Good evening, everyone, respected sir, and all my dear friends. Today, I, Achal, and my teammates Ritu, Dipti, Ritesh, Shreyash, and Chandrasekhar of OPJS School Raigar wants to present a presentation in front of you all on the topic e-commerce. Let's start from our topic e commerce. E commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. Almost anything can be purchased through e commerce today. It can be a substitute for bricks and mortar stores.
Brief history of e-commerce. In 1970s, e-commerce meant the facilitation of commercial transactions electronically using technology such as electronic data interchange (EDI) and electronic funds transfer (EFT), allowing businesses to send commercial documents like purchase orders or invoices electronically. In 1980s, the growth and acceptance of credit cards, automated teller machines, telephone banking, airline reservation system. In year 2000, many European and American business companies offered their services through the World Wide Web. Since then, people began to associate a word e-commerce. From the year 1995 to 2000, it is termed as innovation. Key concepts developed. From the year 2001 to 2006, it is termed as consolidation, emphasis on business-driven approach. From the year 2006 to till present, it is termed as reinvention, extension of technologies, new models based on user-generated content, social network services.
E-commerce category. First, business to consumer, that is B2C. Here the company will sell their goods and service directly to the consumer. The consumer can browse their website and look at the product picture, read review, then they place their order. The company ships the goods directly to them. Example are Amazon, Flipkart, etc. Second, business to business, that is B2B. Here the company are doing business with each other. The final consumer is not involved. So the online transaction only involve the manufacturers, wholesalers, retailers, etc. Third, consumer to business, that is C2B. This is the reverse of B2C. The consumer provides a goods or some service to the company. Say for example, a IT freelancer who demands and sell his software to the company. This would be a C2B transaction. Fourth, consumer to consumer, that is C2C, where the company are in the direct contact with each other. No company is involved. It helps people sell their personal goods and service directly to the interested party. Usually goods traded are cars, bike, electronics, etc.
Benefits of e commerce. First, 24 by 7 shopping. Customers can shop at a time convenient to them as it is available 24 by 7. Second, reduced cost. E commerce helps reducing cost of products so less affluent people can also afford it. Third, faster buying process. Customers can easily browse through many items at a time and buy what they like. When online, customers can find items that are available in physical stores far away from them or not found in their locality. Fourth, wider choice of goods and services. E commerce provides wider choice because buyers can consider many different products and services from a wide variety of sellers. Fifth, affordable advertising. Advertising costs are kept to a minimum. It is cheaper to advertise on the internet.
Advantages of e commerce. First, long delivery period. Long delivery period can be a problem if customer wants something instantly. Second, no guarantee about the product quality. The appearance and the quality of the product on the website might be different to the product shown that the customer receives. Third, security issues. Customers are still somewhat afraid of sending their credit card details over the internet due to some existence of malpractices. Fourth, customer satisfaction problems. Customers lack the facility of touching and feeling products in case of online shopping. They are sometimes more satisfied by purchasing physical outlets by properly checking the products before buying. Fifth, site crash. If you don't have a good bandwidth connection, you will face a serious issue while loading pages and placing orders. It is impossible to make purchase if the site you are looking crashes down.
Online shopping. Online shopping or e-shopping is a form of electronic commerce which allows consumer to buy goods or services from a seller over the internet using a web browser. Alternative names are e-web store, e-shop, e-store, internet shop, web store, online storefront, and virtual store. Mobile commerce describes purchasing from an online retailer's mobile optimized online site or app. First of all, order is placed by customer and payment is made. Then the company receives the order from the customer and enter it into their system. The customer gets a notification that the company received the order. The order is routed to the nearest warehouse or fulfillment center. An employee picks the order from the shelf. The company prepares the order for shipping and prints shipping labels. The company ships the order. The customer gets a notification that the order is on its way. Then order arrives.
Summary and conclusion. E-commerce is a great way for business and consumer to interact internationally. E-commerce still represents one of the business methods that take advantage if done the right way. Even if the stock market commodities fell, but e-commerce still able to survive and receive high transaction. E-commerce has tremendous opportunity in the course of our business in Malaysia. In addition, it is also to introducing new techniques and styles in transaction use the extensive e-commerce in the internet world is actually much better to bring goodness of the individual or the state. E-commerce has undeniably become an important part of our society. The successful companies of the future will be those that take e-commerce seriously, dedicating sufficient resources to its development. E-commerce is not an IT issue but a whole business undertaking. Companies that use it as a reason for completely redesigning their business process are likely to reap the greatest benefit. Moreover, e-commerce is a helpful technology that gives the consumer access to business and companies all over the world. Thank you.